Hey guys, today I've got a GE washer and dryer set. Running this through a test load now. It's been through a 28-point inspection. Everything checks out. It's in great working order. You can hear it's doing a real good. Got a pretty heavy load in there, and it's agitating that load right now. It's got a real strong agitation. Even gives you the LEDs up here to give you a timeline of how long it's going to take and all that. So we're going to let it finish up. We'll come back for the final spin so you can see that it spins good and nice, stable, sounds good, all that. The purpose of this video is so that you know, as if you were standing here testing it out yourself, when you get it home, plug it in, it's going to work great. So that's how I like to spend my money. So I do these videos to show people everything works good. So we'll come back for that and then check out the dryer. Okay, here we go into that final spin. It's spinning nice and fast, and as you can hear, it's nice and quiet. The drain is running. Get the last little bit of the water out. But it's nice and balanced and speeding up. Now what I'm going to do is pop the lid up here, and that's going to stop it. You're not really supposed to do that, but for testing purposes, I like everybody to be able to see that yes, it is spinning, the lid switch works, and all that. So there it goes, slowing down, turning off. One nice thing is it does spin really fast, so those clothes, when they come out, they're nice and light. So when they go over to your dryer, it cuts your drying time about half of a traditional washer and dryer, the older style. So. Alright, we'll let that finish up and then I will show you the dryer. Alright, so we've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. See, that's nice and cleaned out. Nice and clean. Pretty good size capacity on these. I would call these king size capacity. They're calling it super capacity plus, but it's more like a king size in comparison to the Whirlpool or the Kenmore. Real good size capacity on these guys. So we got them loaded up. We're just going to put it on easy care. For medium heat, hit go. What I'm going to do, we'll let it warm up for just a sec, but just so you know, there is heat in there and it's heating like it's supposed to. Whatever that little red dot shines on will give you the surface temperature. So we'll give it just a sec to heat up. It's got quite a few different settings on here. 4 heat settings for auto, or if you wanted to do just manual as well. So you could come down here and just do 80 minutes with regular heat, then hit go. So we'll open this up, shine my heat gun in here. You can see plenty of heat, and as it heats up, it can get anywhere from 100 to 195 depending on what you have those settings at. So, but there you have it. You know that there's plenty of heat there. I'm going to take a picture for the ad. If you have any additional questions, you can reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It's going to be a real great set. Now you know, you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So thanks. Have a great day.